If you're new to interfacing solutions, you might not yet be familiar with the wide range of supported languages, including your own. Please note, this is a test server, so not all available languages may be visible here. In your dedicated single-tenant SaaS environment, you'll have full control over which languages are enabled and available to your users. This flexibility ensures that your platform can be tailored to meet the multilingual needs of your organization. To begin, click the vertical ellipsis, 3 dots, in the top right corner of your screen and select My Profile. From there, navigate to the Language section. You'll see 2 options: Interface Language and Content Language. If you want to change the language of the platform's menus and buttons, update the interface language. If you also want the content, like processes, documents, risks, rules, controls, to appear in a specific language, make sure to update the content language as well. And that's it. You're all set. Stay tuned for more videos to learn how interfacing can support your multilingual content needs across your enterprise.